Hi folks, and welcome to another episode of Ugly Dog Lures. How y'all doing tonight? Tonight we're going to continue on our journey of dark water patterns. So I've already primed this 1.5 square bill, and I'm going to paint this whole bait black, and then I'm going to come with pearl copper and make a design on the side of it. So I'm going to use stencils on this one, folks. So you know what? Let's get this party started. So let's have some fun, folks. So let's paint this dude black. Are y'all getting excited for the Halloween challenge as I am? I'm finally going to put the wife in her place. Now folks, I don't think it's fair that I have to use airbrushes and she can hand draw. Y'all need to go in the comments below and vote yay or nay on that. I don't think it's fair. I think it's senior abuse on me.
I think anything there in your station should be available to me.
Okay, I'm going to take all my markers, all my pens and everything out of my station.
It's already there.
So folks, we may do this in front of a live audience too. Either way, it's going to be fun. We're going to have a good time. That's all that matters. Folks, it's been a great week around the shop here this week. We have been selling almost as fast as I can get them painted this week, especially one certain pattern. They're going out the door faster than I can paint them. Uh-oh, I'm out of paper towels. Lord have mercy. This is not good. I don't know what I'm going to ever do about this. She's going to throw them at me and they're going to get right on this lure because I can't see. I can't see, folks. See what I told you? She's going to throw the damn things at me. So folks, you know it ain't that many more days till old Santa Claus comes. Let me go shopping at Ugly Dog for all them sportsmen in your life. This bait has to be very dry before we put the stencils on this bait. So what we're going to do is we're going to let this thing dry for about 10-15 minutes and we'll be right back. Well folks, we got this one all dried up. Let's go ahead and get our stencils put on the side. Just like that right there. This is going to be a different stencil than y'all have seen me use on the videos. So we're going to be using a pearl copper, and it's a Createx paint. Not supposed to have to thin this, folks, but we'll see. And it ain't going to take much, just a few drops. That's all it's going to take. So, let's jump in here and spray that dude. Just like that. And let's see what we got here. Let me pop these off. What do y'all think? Running on some darker colors. Some of these guys that fish this real dark water has been asking for stuff like this. So we're going to be doing some stuff like this. We'll actually be doing probably 5 or 6 different styles of baits in these darker colors. So we'll do a bleeding perch style here in a few days, and that'll be all hand paint. They're very cool. So let's dry this dude up, get some epoxy on it, and get it hung up for the night and call it good. Well, well, well. What color eyes we gonna use tonight? I think I'm feeling some crazy eyes on this one. What you feeling, Melissa?
Gold.
Gold? I don't want no gold eyes, but I got this eye. So we're going to use these crazy red eyes right here. A little bit different red than we've been using. That up in there. See, that's not a bad looking red and silver eye. Would you look at that, folks? That's a pretty bait. That's going to be a nice bait for dark water. We'll do some videos and change the colors up on them some. I promise. On that bait. Okay, there we got our little eyes on there. Get some epoxy over here. Old Bob will give me a brush. Well, folks, it's Sunday night. That means we're back to work tomorrow. I'm so excited about that. Y'all ever been excited about going back to work? I'm not. If I could spend every minute of every day in this shop just painting, I would. That's all that I would do. Me and my wife would probably choke me after about the first 4 days. So on this 1.5 square bill, as anybody knows that's watched my videos, 1 cc of epoxy and 1 cc of hardener. My hooks in behind that bill. Well, there we go, folks. Pretty bait. Beautiful bait. So you folks have a blessed evening, and I'll catch you later.